welcome to another Form Tyson video on how to generate document when using Salesforce Action. Now this might sound pretty straightforward, like, okay, well, don't I just click a button and it generates it for me? Yes and no is the answer. So, without further speculations, let's go ahead and show you what I actually mean. So, I've got my form set up here, and we're just going to pass a parameter to our opportunity ID. And let me actually log into my org so we see what we're talking about here. So I'm logged into my opportunity here, opportunities. I go into my Form Tyson opportunity here, and what we're going to do is we're going to pass this record ID straight in here and bring all the data. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a push, and a push is opportunity update, and we're going to say we're going to use this in custom button/action. And again, we're going to do an update based on our op ID. So if my opportunity ID equals my op ID, then I can go ahead and only change one field, and just for demonstration purposes, which is my order number. Okay, excuse me. So, and then we've mapped files and attachments to that opportunity, which links to our PDF here that I've set up. And let me show you my PDF. And it's going to record my opportunity name, total amount, product price, quantity, total amount, and it's going to push it into my notes and attachments and files here. So let me just get rid of this quickly so we can do a brand new one, and it'll make a ton of sense as well. Okay, so we've got our Salesforce Action set up through our push. Now let's go ahead and map it. We'll click submit, and we'll say Salesforce Action set, and remember the push that we set up, opportunity update. We'll add it in here, apply, and save. So we've set up everything, we've mapped it. If we go back into our Salesforce integration, look in our push, and this one's going through our files, and we've set up excuse me, we'll set up a title. Our version data is going to be a PDF mapping, and our published location is going to be opportunity ID. And if we look at attachments and we have a look that we've got opportunity ID there, custom file name, and our mapping is going to be our PDF. Right, so we're all set, right? Let's go and test it. And I'm just going to pass in the parameter here, which by saying op ID FLD equals our opportunity ID Form Tyson, and it's pulled through all the data. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the order number to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go ahead and submit it. It should also generate my document. Excuse me. So let's go and see what's happened after I've clicked submit there using my Salesforce Action. Okay, actually we need to make less. The length is too big for the order number. So we'll, excuse me, we'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that'll do. So we'll go ahead and submit, and it should easily generate everything and our documents. So what it's done, it's actually gone ahead and updated my record, excuse me, and change the order number to, where's my order number there, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all good, but look, it's giving me an error. It's saying your file, we can't create it because version data is missing, and so is my body. But they're not missing because we've mapped them, right? So let's go and check. So in here it says, your version data is missing. But it's not, because I've mapped my PDF mapping, so surely that can't be the issue. And then in my attachment, it said my body's missing, and it can't be because I've mapped my body with a PDF mapping. So what's going on? Why is there an issue even though everything's working fine as it should be and I've set it all up? Well, here's where you're going wrong if you are getting this error message and you're confused. What you need to do is you click Salesforce Submit, click on the action, and then tick Generate Documents. And once you've done that, look what happens. Preview. We'll go in there. Let's change this back to FLD2, and then notice if I now click submit, it's generating the document, saving everything, and it's submitted. Now let's go and check what's happened. So if I refresh it, you can see there's my file, there's my attachments. Go into my opportunity record ID, and voila, there's my invoice with all the details, and there is my attachment if I want to see it or download it. But there you go. But that's what that error message actually means. It doesn't actually mean that you've got missing body or missing files. All it wants you to do is tick generate document in a Salesforce action, because remember, we're running a Salesforce action now, so we have to specify when to generate that document, and you do that by ticking generate document. And just to recap what I mean, if you get this error message here, let's just zoom into the error message a bit more, where it says, required missing, and you do have those fields populated with the right data, and you're still getting this error. Chances are you need to, and you're using Salesforce button, chances are you need to tick the generate Salesforce document in the button itself, and all you need to do is click it, set, and then tick generate document, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching this video.